Hey everybody, today we're installing a new part on the Bronco, and I was supposed to do the unboxing, but the box got ruined by snow. So here's what we've got though, and this is the rest of the packaging. So this is a hood protector, and it has lights in it, and it essentially goes up here. I'm going to set that there for now. And everything else you get is you get some alcohol wipes, you get a roll of tape, and then you get a wiring harness, because this does have lights in it. So I have already gone ahead and I've applied the tape to the outside of all of this already, and I went ahead and I put some of my own tape on the wiring harness to keep that down. I didn't want these pieces rattling on the hood. So this should be a pretty quick and easy install. So after you get the tape applied on there, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to take out your wiring harness and you're going to go ahead and plug this all in. So it's pretty easy to figure out where everything goes. So you've got short, long, and longer. So the short one goes to the closest light. Put that in there. And you can see here there's a channel for the wire to go out. So next light, and then the last one, and I think I'm gonna need a couple more pieces of tape to maybe hold this all down too. Here we go. You obviously don't have to do this. I just think it'll make it easier, and again, it's making it so nothing's rubbing on the paint while this is on there. So I'm going to just go ahead and tape my lead. Alright, so now I'm going to add one more piece of tape to the bundle. This is just fabric hockey tape, so it should be plenty to hold the wire down there. Okay, so here's what we have now. Now this won't all rattle around and the wire can escape right there. So essentially now we just need to center this and line it up. I don't know how well you can see it, but this line lines up with the body line in the Bronco. So once you get it centered, it will pretty much go right into place. And then your wire escapes that little bit of a channel, and then we'll wrap it under the hood. First though, before we pull the rest of the tape off, we need to get out
Team wipes. I don't know.
We need to get out these wipes. These actually are adhesion promoter. So I'm gonna get one of these out. I just cleaned that with alcohol before I put things on. So this is going to do, I'm going to save that for now.
You can see what it is doing, and yeah. And
We're going to want to wipe this all down first with alcohol to make sure it's ready. Okay, so this is all clean now, and you're going to apply the adhesion promoter, and then you're going to pull this off and stick it on there. So, I've used this type of tape a lot before, so I'm actually not going to use the adhesion promoter right now. I'm just going to go ahead and pull this red tape off everywhere.
It did not go.
It's okay. To expose the tape.
Dad, why do you want to make a real video?
Okay. Now we have our tape exposed. And so now we're going to very carefully try and line this up. So luckily I already have the third light, or the lights in the grill that I can kind of line this up with. And then again, the body lines will help me find the rest of it. So at first, it's important to not stick it down real hard. Just kind of get it about where you want it. Okay, now I'm actually going to grab a tape measure and check my distances here. So I have 3 3/4, 3 1/2, so I need to go this way a tiny bit. What?
You might want to test it out first before we go to Emily's.
Okay. I'm at 3 1/2. Not quite 3 1/2.
Tell me when to pause
Okay.
it.
3 1/2 on both sides. So you want to check and make sure you have it down as much as it can be on the front. And then you're just going to start pressing this down all over. Making sure that all that tape is really stuck. Okay, so there we go. You've got it on, and now your next step is going to be figuring out how to run this wire. I was hoping it was long enough I could run it down, but it's looking like it's not. So I don't want to, I'm not going to run this permanently right now because I'm going to get more wire for it to make it, when it's plugged in, I can chase it down the side of the hood and then around here. I can chase it down the side of the hood, make it run down here so it doesn't interfere with the hood opening. But for now, we will just get these wires on the cable, or on the battery, sorry, so we can see what this looks like. Oh, I gotta find a good spot. Are they on? Okay. Get that wire tucked in. So there you go. that is what you will see when you are done. That actually looks pretty cool. I'll have to try and find a way to tuck the wire in there as best as possible, but it gives you an idea of what to do. I'm gonna grab more wire so I can run that better. But there you go. It's definitely a bit of a different look. Doesn't give you full hood coverage, but pretty close. But overall, it's definitely different. It matches the grill really good. So there you go. There is your basic installation of that. The other thing that I'm thinking I might do is that I might tie those lights in with those Raptor grill lights, because then they'll all just come on together. So yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching.